This one is a real showstopper. This is the 1953 Aston Martin DB2 Vantage. Notable for being one of the last 20 DB2 cars made, of which there are only 411, this example is the Vantage specification, which included the uprated 2.6 litre engine. Breathed on by the vendor to some £100,000, it's been uprated for use in events such as the Three Castles Rally. We believe the improvements will certainly enhance the driving experience, and the Aston is estimated at 150 to 180,000 in tomorrow's sale.